So today we got this GT350 for a tow hook and bleeding the brakes. There's gonna be a ton of footage with this car.
Brake fluid's flushing.
Flushing the brake fluid. Yep. And yeah, let's get this day started. All right, Adam and Bobby just test drove this car. Everything's fine. The customer is coming to pick it up. I want to say in like 20 minutes. Today's gonna be a short day, so I'll see you guys on Monday. A little late start for me. What's up? What's up? Boys are trying to fix this car. Did you guys?
Yeah, I've already replaced the belt and I've already put all this stuff on. It's done. Dang. It's been done. We're fighting something else now. Fuel pump's not. Pump ain't pumping.
She ain't got no gas in it.
So that's why I wasn't
Fuel
starting
pump
before?
ain't fuel pumping, yeah.
Okay, well.
Because we're trying to start it.
Power on the out. No,
Yeah.
that's the end.
Yeah, that's the end. We were checking. He was checking the fuel pressure while I was trying to crank the car. We're not getting fuel pressure, so.
That was fast. Literally took them 10 minutes and now the car's running. There's no way this is happening right now. Another one. All right, so it decided to stop working again. But today we have this truck on the schedule. We're supposed to do a blow valve installation on it, so we'll do before and after sounds and get some B-roll. Yep. All right, the boys just finished this car. We're gonna take it on a little test drive, make sure everything's good, and get some sound clips from inside, and we'll see what we got next.
Yeah, he'll like it.
I can. All right, this one's done. Time to start working on this one. Time to start working on this one again. All right, so the car just started, but let them know what you're doing.
On the distribution block, it's just we get a main power, and then it just bridges off all different like fuel pump 1, 2, and all that. So we're just gonna go through and pull the wires out, tighten them up, see if that does something. Because it wouldn't start. I fidgeted with the wires, and it started right up.
All right.
So something just maybe got pulled loose or something.
All right, Raptor's done. Roush car is done, and boys are working on the Lightning right now. Okay, okay. Yo, Jay, can you tell me real quick what you're doing?
Okay, so this car, I don't know how much you guys have been paying attention. This was a shade tree mechanic deal, and it was put together really terribly, and like all sorts of, look at this, like this was how this was. Like, it's just not connected. It doesn't go to anything. Like, so in this instance, this side of the harness was also completely trashed. We replaced that harness. So now we have to wire and create the connection here. So before we go any further with adding the blower and stuff, we need to go ahead and fix that. So I'm gonna disconnect the wiring harness, pull it open, get some lead there, and solder in a connection. So that way we can start working on putting the blower back in. So that way we can get this thing back to its owner.
All right, so I'm gonna try to switch it up and use this camera. We just bought this, so let's see how good I can get used to it and stuff. For now, let's look at Jay. He gets in a little detailing mode every now and then. All right, so that is a wrap for today. I am working on moving a bunch of stuff around so I can start using this camera. So we will see you guys tomorrow. We are putting the Roush car on the dyno, so kind of excited to see what kind of power this thing is gonna make. Bob, what do you think this thing is gonna make, the Roush?
I'm gonna say 740.
740.
740 wheel, 760 torque.
Okay, I'll say 700 wheel, and I'll say 520 wheel torque. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. You're eating. All right, so Adam checked over the Roush car. Everything is fine with it. We hit up Tuning Dynamics, they're ready for us. We hit up Wangard, and he's ready for us. So all we're waiting on is for our appointment so we can go there, dyno the car, and see what it makes. Adam thinks it's gonna make what? You said 765. I think it's gonna make like 720, 730. Bobby said I think 750, 760. I know Josh is shooting high. He wants to go for like high 7s or 800. So stay tuned. Let's see what it does. We're going to dyno in 5-10 minutes. So see you guys there. All right, so we just made it to Tuning Dynamics. It's time to strap up this car, see what type of numbers it makes, and let's get some B-roll. Number one. Let's go see what this thing makes. Okay, base map. 630 wheel, 588 wheel torque. Wow. Alright, so it's a little loud back here, so let me just update you guys. Wangard said that there was some stuff going on with the tuning, so Josh and Adam stopped by, fixed it up real quick. It was just one line that needed to be fixed. And the car on base map did 631 wheel horsepower and 605 wheel torque. So that's already higher than the first base map that we did, and it's still the same map. So let's go back and see what Wangard tells us and see how much more we can push this car. All right, so Wangard just actually hit us up and said that the car doesn't need any more revisions. With that being said, time to go back to the shop and hopefully deliver this car today and see what else we have there. All right, made it back to the shop. I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. Rick,
yo,
you trying to tell me about the sale that we got going on, bro?
Well, we're finalizing our tax sale, and I'm finalizing it right now. You'll probably get an email that kind of looks like this, you know, a lot of moaning. But this will be our April tax sale. This will be sort of like a small continuation of our EcoBoost March Madness. Reason being, CB Fab is having a 10% off sale for the entire month, and we want to take advantage of that as well. So every CB Fab product on our website has 10% off. Coney is having a deal as well, up to 38% off. So Coney has shocks, struts, and kits for your S550, and then free shipping here for MBRP and IBOC. So any MBRP and IBOC product totaling more than $99 is going to get free shipping. MBRP from the 1st to the 30th. And then IBOC from the 1st to the 14th, so you have probably 2 weeks on that to take advantage of that. Anyway, there's a lot more exclusive pricing that we're doing for our PP members that you can also take advantage of these sales if you're part of our PP membership. But mostly it's that. More sales, more sales, more sales.
Oh yeah. Alright, actually we are not done. Well, that's all you guys are gonna see, but Josh is finally working on the RTR again.
Hey yo. It's our little secret.
Yeah, make a little bit of
We
progress.
We
Better
work
than no
on this
progress.
thing every once in a while.
I thought you were gonna say every other day, and I'm like, stop lying.
No, well, we slap it and stuff every other day.
We talk
Yeah, we
dirty
look
to
at it and talk about it.
Yeah, that's exactly what happens. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make a custom intake to run the fuel system over here like
And
I
you got a
want.
little bit bigger on those holes.
A little bit bigger?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna run an intake into the bumper pretty much.
Really?
Yeah, because we're having to take all this. Because look how big this is.
It's huge.
Huge. So it's taking up all this room, and we're putting the
Second regulator thing?
The 2 regulators are gonna be right here.
Okay.
So we're gonna be taking up all this space. Like that's where the intake cabin mounts.
Okay.
So we're putting all this. So I guess it's just gonna get something ran into the bumper, which would be actually pretty dope.
All right.
Test that.
Oh, well, that is a wrap for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.